In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Barclays Bank online banking account. Whether you're checking your balance, transferring money, or just keeping an eye on your transactions, accessing your Barclays account online is both convenient and secure. Let's walk through this step by step to ensure you have a smooth and safe experience. First, you'll need to navigate to the official Barclays website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.barclays.co.uk. Say if you're located in Jersey, Guernsey, or the Isle of Man, the website to use is ciiom.barclays.com. A quick tip here, always type in the website address manually to avoid falling for phishing scams. Never click on links sent through emails or texts as they might lead you to malicious sites. Once you've reached the Barclays homepage, take a glance at the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see the login button. Clicking this will direct you to the login page where you can begin the process of accessing your account. Now it's time to enter your login details. Barclays offers three options for logging in, catering to different preferences and needs. The first option is using your membership number, which will prompt you to provide your last name as well as the 12-digit membership number linked to your account. Alternatively, you can use your card number. For this, you'll need to enter your last name alongside your 16-digit card number. Lastly, you can opt to log in using your sort code. This method involves entering your last name, followed by your sort code and account number. For added security, Barclays offers the PIN Sentry device, which some of you might already be familiar with. If you're using a PIN Sentry, insert your Barclays debit card into the device and enter your PIN. Once you've done that, the device will generate a security code, which you then type into the login page. This extra layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access. That's it! Following these steps will grant you access to your Barclays Bank online account, where you can manage your finances with ease. Remember, online banking is a great tool, but always remain vigilant against potential scams. Regularly monitor your account for any unfamiliar transactions and ensure your personal information stays confidential. By following the steps outlined today, you're well on your way to a safe and efficient online banking experience with Barclays. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more informative content. Have a great day!